Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, प्यारे हजूर।
वालेकुम।
My name is Faraz Miran.
हाँ,
मेरा सवाल ये है कि what was beloved Hazur reaction when Hazur hear for the first time the revelation Inni Maka Ya Masur?
you see, Inni Maka Nurya Masroor is the revelation to the Prophet Messiah alayhi Islam. It was revealed to the Prophet Messiah alayhi Islam, right? And Allah Ta'ala has given the name Masroor to Prophet Messiah alayhi Islam. So, when I was elected as the Khalifa of the time, then I came to know that this is not only a coincidence, but God wishes that He wants to help me at the same time because of this name, Allah Ta'ala will also give me the glad tidings and inshallah Ta'ala fulfill so many of the promises which He has promised with the Prophet Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam, and that they will be fulfilled during his time and even after that, and Jamaat will enjoy the benefits of those promises. So, although it is not about myself, but it was a coincidence or God plans that a Khalifa of the time was elected whose name was also Masroor, and I can see that Allah has been helping me in this regard, and I pray that all those benefits which are attached to this revelation are fulfilled during my time. Right? Okay? Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakallah.